Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change server and Rise of Kingdoms. Changing servers and Rise of Kingdoms can be done in two simple ways, depending on whether you want a fresh start or to move your existing progress. The first option is creating a new character by opening your governor profile in the top left corner, heading into settings, and selecting characters. From there, you can create a new character and choose between different server population levels, which will begin a brand new journey in your selected kingdom. The second option is migrating your current city by accessing the world map, zooming out, and selecting the globe icon located on the screen. This will display available kingdoms where you can apply for immigration. To successfully migrate, you must meet all migration requirements, including having a city hall at level 16 or higher and fulfilling the additional listed conditions. Once these are completed, you can smoothly transfer your progress to a new kingdom and continue your adventure. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.